All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I got a Kody Eutsler DUK or DUK here with me for a quick maintenance video, guys. But as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, letting me know what you guys think about this fella, which doesn't really need any maintenance because look at this action. Woohoo! Look at that. It's brand new, still has to break in, but it's just gorgeous. Thanks, Clark. I'm gonna go ahead with the T15 and the T8 to take care of this fella. I'm just gonna, you know what, open the blade and start disassembling with the T15, the pivot on the show side, because this is how I feel today. This is gonna come out like so. Color stays there, not a problem. Just switch to the T8. Here you go. Tackle the handle screw like a boss, like that. And just put this guy right there. They go right into the frame, which is not ideal in my opinion. I prefer the Chicago screws, but it's fine. You cannot have everything you want in life. Already having this thing is just fantastic. Again, thanks, Clark. This was a pretty cool addition, and I'm surprised to see that there's no skiff bearings. That's interesting. These are plastic bearings. Nonetheless, we're gonna use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a little bit of microfiber cloth to just take care of the blade, of the tang, of the inside of the scales, so we have them nice and clean. The bearing track, it was actually pretty dry, I have to say. This is part of the recent drop. I believe it's gorgeous. Look at the dark tie clip. There's no internal skeletonization, but it's not a biggie. If you wanna check the detail over here of the detent, pretty nice. Hidden, completely hidden. Look at the stainless steel lock face insert. It's gorgeous. Bearings in. That's gonna be pretty straightforward, guys. That goes in. I'm trying to think if I want to use the 85. Let's do 85 weight. Why not? Let's go a little bit thicker. 1, 2, and 3 drops. And one, it's there for the detent. This fella is there. This guy, we're gonna go right there in 1, 2, and 3. Nice, generous drops of nano oil, 85 weight, because it's a little bit thicker and it might be nicer. I don't know. I'll try it out. Let's see. Zirc spacer, lovely integrated lanyard hole. Action going on. Look at that. Look at that. Stay there. Don't go anywhere. Right there. That's very good. Pretty easy. By the way, these are Sienkiewicz design screwdriver made by Shirogorov. And they are simply, I would say, the best. Because, yeah, it's... hold on. Stay there. What are you doing, Fab? Just relax, right? Just relax. That thing goes there, you know. This guy goes there. Let's do old school here. So, like so. Where is the hole? There you go. Look at this method, guys. Very rudimentary. So, here always disengage the lock bar. And here I'm just gonna go and do this a little bit so it's kind of lets me like line up the backspacer on the other side. So this guy is in, grabbing this fella in, and we're gonna tighten everything in a second right here. So checking that everything is in place. Very simple construction, straightforward disassembly. 2 body screw which are done, and 1 right over here which still has a little bit of play, which we're gonna take care in a second. That's done. Probably a bit over tightened everything. Let me see. Ooh. Let me over tighten this fella So we can go back, check centering, check. This guys is too tight. So I'm gonna go a little bit back, like so. Let me see. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys, look at this thing. Snaps out and just, oh guys, beautiful. Yeah. Guys, love the action of this fella. 100%. Some pretty cool thumb studs action in the house for you guys. Really love this fella. Love it, love it, love it. There you have it. Really hope you love it as well. Thanks guys for watching and stay tuned.